Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to make money online using Adsterra. Adsterra is a networking company that pays bloggers or publishers who publish content on their blog through monetization. They still go furthermore. If you even don't have blog, you can still make money on Adsterra. And another good thing about them, even as advertisers, you can advertise with them. Their advertising campaigns are very cheap and you can get massive traffic from there. So, but before I go on, if today is your first time of visiting my channel at Bizyjoe.com, please do it to subscribe to our channel at Bizyjoe.com. Then on the Bizyjoe technology, as you can see, we have a great services that we are offering to our customers, ranging from web design, design, social media marketing, graphic design, social search engine optimization, web development, business branding, and a whole lot more. You can contact us for any of these services. Then we also have a great content. If you are visiting us for the first time, you can watch any of our content, ranging from creating AdSense account to we have how to download app, even jingle, then how to start a blog. I have a whole lot of content here, so you can take your time and go through our blog. You can so these are all the videos. You have a whole lot of videos here, so you can watch them. So let's move over to the main thing here. So this Adsterra, the link is adsterra.com, but I'm dropping the link on the description box below. So as you can see, it's a global advertising and CPA affiliate network with a unique partner care approach. So we help advertisers meet their KPIs and grow ROI, while publishers maximize eCPM with our easy to use advanced traffic solutions and the best team in the industry. So I can see founded in 2013. Then there are in more than 248 geolocations. Then we have partners, more than 33,000 partners. So this is how it works for advertisers. If you want to advertise with Adsterra, then for publishers, this is also how it works. Then affiliates, if you want to join the affiliate program, so there are there are two ways you can make money with them, either as a publisher or affiliate. Then if you want to advertise your products as a business, you can join them. Then high converting ad format, they have pop under. These are for content creators, for bloggers. So why choose them? So this you can go through, just go. Then they have some partners for IAB, then you can lead them. So if you want to sign up on this particular platform, it's very easy. If you want to sign up, just click on the sign up button. So you can sign up as advertiser, as a publisher, or as an affiliate. You understand? So for the purpose of this training, I want to sign up as a publisher, but depending on what you are doing, is very easy. It's very easy. If you want to advertise with them, you can just, it's very easy to sign up. Then if you want to publish, if you're a publisher, if you have a blog, then affiliate marketers, then you can do that. So let me click on get started. So it's very easy. It's very easy to sign up. Very easy. So the sign up form is coming up. So what you need is just your name. Okay, this is directing me to my, I already sign up with them. I already have account with them. But the sign up, okay, let me know whether I can log out. But it's very easy to sign up. Let me log out. But I've already made some token. Yeah, I think I joined not more than 2 weeks, not more than 2 weeks on this platform. Okay, let me know that I can sign out and show you the sign up form, but it's very easy. Okay, it's logging me out now. So we are on the sign up page. So if if it's your first time of visiting this website, so once you click on the sign up, once you click on the sign in button, it will direct you to this particular page, that the sign up. Then just enter your name, then your email. This is what you need. Once you enter your name and your email, it will automatically, you click on create account. Then they will send you a confirmation email on your email address. They'll send a confirmation mail on your email address. So, but for me, I already have account, so I will just log in. Then after logging in, the next thing to do is to add a website. After logging in, the next thing to is to add a website. So I'll show you how to add a website. So that's what we do. Then I'll also show in my next training. I'll show you how to optimize your account for high CPC. So let me just click on this is on website. I'll click on add new website. Just click on add new website. So let me add this as now. Yeah, okay, let me add this particular website. It's not on, so let me this website. So the kind of ad that you want to create, let me create, okay, the category of the website is sports. Let me know whether I can see sports. But okay, sports streaming website. So let me choose that. Then you choose your ad format. So as you can see, your CPM value will be higher if you allow more ads. So see let's remove that minus. So let's add this banner size. Let's add this banner size. Any ad format you can, they have 4 pointer, then they have banners, then they have native banner, there's a native banner, then there's a direct link, so and there is a social bar. So you can select any one of your choice, but later on you can still add more ad formats. So but let's just click on add new website. Okay, your website has been sent for approval, so it will not take much time. So within maybe in the next, even in less than a minute. So once you're done that, just refresh your web browser, maybe just refresh your web browser and see it does not take much time, although it's still pending. So but it will not take time to get your website approved. So this is just how to connect your website on the Adsterra account. The approval process is very easy. So let me also log into okay, yeah, let me log into my back end of this particular website. So let me refresh and know whether they have already approved this particular site. Let me refresh. As you can see, bam, they have approved this, unlike AdSense and other networking company that takes longer time. As you can see, this website that I just added got approved in less than a minute. So what I need to do is just to click on all codes. As you can see, this is the code. This is one that I just created. So I can click on get code, then paste this code on your website where you want this to be displayed. So I'll just copy this code. I'll just click on copy this code, Control C. I've copied it. So what I need to do is just to go back to my team. I'll go to my journal team. So any place I want this ad to show, I'll just put the code there. So this is coming up. So what I need to do is to go to my advertisement, then let me go down. As you can see, okay, let me add this code at the top above the header. Okay, header ad. Okay, let me add this code here at the header ad. So what I need to do is just to paste it, Ctrl V. I've already pasted this code there. So I'll just click on save. So once I click on save, the code will automatically be added. Once you go back to your, let me go to my website and check whether the code has been affected. So it's coming up. Then let me, as we are waiting, then if you want to add, this is the, okay, sorry, this is the domain name that I just added. So if I want to add more codes, if I want to add more ad formats, so I'll click on add code. You can select anyone, you can choose pop under, native ad, any other ad format. You can just, after choosing it, let's say you want to add pop under, then you click on add. Once you click on add, they will submit your request in less than a minute. In less than a minute, as you can see, it's pending. So just refresh your page, then refresh it. Keep on refreshing it. In less than a minute, you will just see your this thing. So as you can see, the ad is already live. This propeller ads are disturbing me. So as this is their ad. As you can see, this is their ad. This is their ad. So this is just how you can integrate, sign up on Adsterra. Then you can also integrate their ad code on your website. So if you find any value in this today's video, please do well to share this video with your friends. Then subscribe to our channel at bizyjoe.com. Thanks for watching this video.